You would have more room to work with if you take out the spare tire. So just unscrew this and take out your full-size spare tire. Okay, so you take out your spare tire, and there's a little recess here, so you can put your hand in there to lift up this shroud. But before you do that, you take off this panel, just pull up, and you see there are two tabs here, one on each corner. So you can put your hand in there and just pull up, and the whole thing will come apart, and then you just lift up, and this is your battery enclosure or shroud. So you have all the tabs here. Make sure you don't break them, right? The tabs goes into the holes here. So now you have your 12-volt battery. To remove the battery, you just have to undo the cross member. There are two nuts here, and also here. And there are two nuts here. You can remove those, and the bracket comes off, and you can take out the battery. This is a 45 amp hour battery, Coke cranking amp, 325 amp. And before you remove the battery cable, you should hook up a backup battery, 12 volt, to the negative and positive cable before you remove the connection. Otherwise your computer data will be lost. So after you put in the new battery, after you tighten the clamps, then you remove your backup battery. That way you won't lose any preset information there. Look at the battery terminal. This is the positive. You have a 60 amp fuse on the left hand side, 40 amp fuse on the right, and then in the back there's a 7.5 amp fuse. So if there's something wrong with your car, you can check here also to see if the fuses are blown. Otherwise you cover it. So just be careful when you are doing all this. Don't short anything out. Okay. So putting it back is reverse, right? Snap everything back in place. And you're back in business. Okay. Good thing this has a full-size spare tire. Alright, so the procedure should be the same for 2016 to 2018. 2019 you have a new model, so that's a different story. Alright, thanks for watching.